Welcome back to Learn German from Zero. Today, you're going to learn the German alphabet, and more importantly, how it actually sounds in real life. No memorization, just listen and repeat. Let's start simple. The German alphabet looks very similar to English, but the pronunciation is different, and that changes everything. Let's begin. Listen. A. Repeat. A. Apfel. B. Repeat. B. Banane. C. Repeat. C. Cent. D. Repeat. D. Deutschland. E. Repeat. E. Elephant. Take a second. You don't need to memorize everything. Just get used to the sound. That's how you improve faster. Let's keep going. F. Repeat. F. Fish.
G. Repeat. G.
Gitarre.
H. Repeat. H.
House. E. Repeat. E. Eagle. Now something important. Some letters don't sound like English. For example, J sounds like yacht. Repeat. Yacht. Yogurt.
K. Repeat. K.
Kaffee. L. Repeat. L. Liebe. M. Repeat. M. Mann. N. Repeat. N.
Nacht.
Now a few more. O. Repeat. O.
Ofen.
P. Repeat. P.
Parfüm. Q. Repeat. Q. Querflöte. Repeat. Regenschirm.
Here's another interesting one. S often sounds like Z. Sonne.
Repeat.
Sonne. T. Repeat. T. Teppich. U. Repeat. U. Uhr.
V.
Sounds like F.
Repeat. V.
Vogel.
V.
Repeat.
V.
Wasser.
X.
Repeat.
X.
Xylophon.
Y.
Repeat.
Y.
Yacht.
Z.
Repeat.
Z.
Sounds like ts.
Zeitung.
Now something extra. German has 4 additional letters. Repeat. Bear. Repeat. Ü.
U. Repeat. U.
Würfel. Etset. Repeat. Etset.
Fuß.
Now let's connect everything. Imagine this. You're spelling your name. A, B, C. Now it makes sense. You're not guessing anymore. You're recognizing sounds. And that's the key. Now you can recognize letters, understand pronunciation, and start reading real German. That's real progress. If you want to continue learning German from zero, subscribe to the channel. Take your time, practice the alphabets, and I'll see you in the next lesson.